Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Tandoor Recipes with Docker Compose on Ubuntu 24.04. First, refresh the package database. Then, install the packages required to add external repositories. Next, create a secure directory for Docker repository keys. Continue to download Docker's official signing key. Allow the package manager to read the key. Next, add Docker's stable repository to Ubuntu. Then, reload the package information, including the Docker repository. Now, install Docker Engine and the Docker Compose plugin. After that, confirm Docker Compose is installed correctly. Next, create a dedicated directory for the application. Download the default Tandoor environment file. Then, generate a random secret key and copy its value for the next step. Next, open the configuration file. Continue to update the following values. After that, save and exit the editor. Now, create the Docker Compose file. Then, paste the following configuration. Save and exit the editor. Next, download the required images and start the containers. Continue to verify that the containers are running. You should see the Tandoor containers running. Now, install the Nginx web server. Then, create a new virtual host configuration. Continue to add the following configuration. Save and exit the editor. Next, enable the newly created site. Continue to disable the default Nginx configuration. Then, verify that the configuration is valid. After that, apply the configuration changes. Now, open your browser and navigate to the following command. You should now see the Tandoor Recipes login page. Finally, you have successfully installed Tandoor Recipes on Ubuntu 24.04 using Docker Compose.